Watch this video and learn how to draw a crab. Later in the show, everyone's going to sing Baby Shark. And watch to the end to see one of Louie's shape breaks. Okay, Artie, get ready. It's Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
What should I draw today?
Hello, Artie.
Hello.
You know how you like crabs?
Yeah.
Should we draw one today?
Yeah. Oh, I would love to draw that. Yeah. Ooh, I'm excited.
Wow, look at all the little artists that are here today.
It's so great to see you today.
It's wonderful.
Are you ready, Artie?
I'm ready.
Look at that lovely blank piece of paper.
Yeah.
Let's fill it with art.
Oh, wow. That's going to be really fun.
Yes, it is.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's start by drawing our crab's eyes. We're going to give him sort of egg-shaped eyes. So draw an egg shape on the left at an angle. That's it, Artie. And another one on the right, also at an angle. That's it. It looks like you've drawn 2 eggs on a plate.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Oh.
Now draw a line halfway through the egg, and then underneath draw half a circle, and we're going to shade that half circle in nice and black. If Artie's going too quick, little artists, here's a message from Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Thanks, Louie. Okay, now let's draw a line halfway through the right egg, and then another half circle, and shade that in black. Now we have 2 egg-shaped eyes.
Wow, Artie, you're so talented. You should sing like I do.
Thank you, Barry, but I think Artie's better at drawing than singing, but then again, you're not very good at singing either. Maybe you should try some drawing next time. Oh, those eyebrows look really good, Artie. He looks very surprised.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
Now we're going to put our crab's eyes on stalks or sticks. So let's draw 2 straight lines coming from the bottom of each eye. Now let's draw our crab's body. We're going to draw a half circle all the way around the top. Don't forget to leave a gap for the stalks of the eyes, and then come all the way back down the right side.
This looks great, but I can't tell what it is yet.
Well, it's going to be a crab, Mikey. You'll see in a little while. Draw 2 little lines on either end. That's it, Artie. Now let's draw the bottom part of our crab's body. We're going to draw another half circle coming all the way across the bottom from those 2 little lines that you drew. It looks great, Artie. What a really good start.
Oh, can we please have a song break?
You want a song break?
Yeah, a song break.
Okay, why not?
Okay. Yay! Song break! Let's go!
Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark. Mommy shark, do 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 do. Mommy shark, do 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 do. Mommy shark, do 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 do. Mommy shark. Daddy shark, do 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 do. Daddy shark, do 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 do. Daddy shark, do 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 do. Daddy shark. Grandma shark, do 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 do. Grandma shark, do 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 do. Grandma shark, do 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 do. Grandma shark. Grandma shark. at last, do 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 do, safe at last, do 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 do, safe at last. It's the end, do 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 do. It's the end, do 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 do. It's the end, do 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 do. It's the end.
Oh, that was a really good song break.
It was.
Yeah.
Good job.
Oh, thank you.
Now let's get back to the drawing, Artie.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Join. Okay.
Let's add a big smile with a big curved line. Watch to the end for one of Louie's famous shape breaks. Now let's draw the bottom part of the mouth. Oh yes, that's a big, big smiley mouth.
Painty! Oh no! Go away! No, Painty, no! No!
Well, I'm lost for words.
Oh, Painty, you've made a mess again. Now I'm going to have to clean up all that blue paint. Ugh. The crab's mouth is looking really good, Artie. Make sure you shade in that middle part really black, in between the teeth and the tongue. That's it.
Happy day, Artie!
Oh, hi, Bunny.
Your art is so amazing. It's hopping right into my heart.
Oh,
I'm off to nibble some carrots.
okay.
Bye,
Bye.
Artie.
Bye.
Bunny Fluffington is always talking about carrots. She's obsessed. Now, Artie, let's draw some lines in the teeth to make it look like there's lots of teeth in our crab's mouth. Now let's add some arms.
Isn't art fun?
I think so.
Let's draw a claw on the end of the arm. We're going to draw 4 curved lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you know, Artie, that crabs use their claws for digging?
No.
That's how they find their food. Imagine if you had claws and you had to dig to find your food.
No.
Yes, I think that would be a bit silly. It would be very hard for you to do your drawings if you had claws.
Yeah.
This is looking really good, Artie. Our crab now has 2 arms and 2 claws.
Oh, Artie want shape break.
You want a shape break?
Yeah.
Why not?
Okay, Louie, shape break.
Hello and welcome to a shape break. My name's Louie and I'm going to teach you about a shape today. This shape right here, it's called a rhombus. Some people like to call it a diamond shape and that's okay, but the correct name is rhombus. Can you say it with me? Rhombus. Ready? Rhombus. That's right, rhombus. So, as you see, it has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it's a little bit like a square, because a square, as we know, also has 4 sides. But this one's at an angle, slanted a little bit, so it's more of a diamond shape. And of course, diamonds are indeed that shape. But also, one of my favorite toys is that shape. You know what it is? A kite. I love kites. I love to fly my kite. Have you ever flown a kite, little artist? Oh, it's so much fun. Don't tell anyone. But last time I flew my kite, it got stuck up there in a tree. It was not my favorite thing in the world. But it's up there. Get it? It's up there. It's one of my favorite. No, okay. Well, flying a kite has its ups and downs. Also, why did Elsa lose her kite? Do you know? Because she let it go. Let it go. She let it go. Oh, God, I'm terrible.
Oh, that was a good shape break. Artie learned a lot.
It was.
Yeah.
Should we carry on and finish the drawing?
Yeah, okay.
Let's give our crab some legs.
I love watching Artie draw almost as much as I love carrots.
There's Bunny talking about carrots again. She's obsessed. Have you ever seen a crab walking, Artie? They're funny. They walk sideways.
Yeah.
Maybe tomorrow we should both try walking sideways all day.
No.
Yeah, you're probably right. That's probably a bad idea. We might walk into the walls or something.
Artie is so talented, it makes me want to sing.
Oh, Barry, you've set the neighbour's dogs off again. Why does he always insist on singing? Let's draw 3 more legs on the left side. That'll be a total of 6. Did you know, Artie, that crabs really have 10 legs? But that would be a lot of legs to draw. We'd be here all day.
Yeah.
Oh, Artie, I just had a really good idea. Let's add some sand underneath the crab. Draw lots of little dots. Dot, 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 dot. That's it. Now it looks like little grains of sand.
I'm finished.
Wow, Artie, this one came out so good.
Yeah. Can Artie colour it in, please?
Of course you can.
Yay! Yeah! Colour it in. Colour it in.
What a great job, Artie.
Yeah. Oh, fantastic.
Are you pleased?
Very, very pleased.
The colours look so good.
Yeah.
The pink and the
Artie's
orange.
having an Artie day.
Great job, Artie.
Just wonderful.
We'll see you next time on Artie's show. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching, little artists. Bunny wishes and carrot kisses. Mwah!
Thank you for watching. Please watch again. Thank you. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye.